First Warn 5 weather with Matt Holliner.
6:42 this morning, and it's this ridge of high pressure that's still centered to our west. That's the reason why we're so dry, so hot. Not just us, but really the entire state of Texas. Notice the stalled out front right on the border of Oklahoma, Texas. Oh, so close, but not going to provide any relief for the Dallas area, which really saw some of the worst heat in the state and may continue to do so over the next few days. Rain in the southeast because of that stalled out front, but yeah, not making it here. And the problem is this ridge, before it breaks down, might actually shift a little bit towards the south and towards the east. So I actually think in the days ahead, our temperatures are going to get a little bit worse. I actually think we're going to technically be a degree cooler today compared to yesterday. It's not going to feel any different because the humidity is higher, but it's actually going to get a little bit worse as we go into the weekend and into the beginning of next week. 8 a.m. this morning, partly cloudy skies. We'll call it partly cloudy. There are a few areas with some low-level clouds, but this is going to be short-lived. Much of the day, like yesterday, a whole bunch of sun, not many clouds. There you have it, lunchtime. There will be a struggle to find any clouds today, but I think there'll be a few around from time to time. A breezy day, a hot day. I think the heat index is going to be around 104. I do think a touch breezier than yesterday, though. I think we're going to have frequent gusts around 25 miles per hour. Yesterday, it was kind of averaging more around 20. Tomorrow morning, same thing. Tomorrow is almost going to be identical to today. A partly cloudy start very early in the morning. The rest of the day, mostly sunny, breezy, maybe a little bit lighter on the winds, gusts around 20 again. Again, it's subtle differences this time of year. Friday night, if you got Friday night plans, it's still going to be pretty hot at 7 o'clock. I mean, you really don't see a significant cool down until the sun sets, which this time of year is about 8:25 at night. So no worries about any rain, but yeah, you might still want the t-shirts and shorts if you're going to be out at 7. Again, once you get towards 9 o'clock, at least it'll be cooling down into the mid-80s, but it'll still be in the 90s at 7 o'clock. Yes, once again, moderate air quality day because there's still a little bit of dust, but there's still a lot of blue sky. The dust isn't too bad, but the problem is, notice the note that we put in here. Yeah, it looks like we might see those levels go down back to that unhealthy for sensitive groups this weekend because another round of dust is coming back. Those hazy skies probably returning maybe late Saturday and I think peaking on Sunday. So we're not done with the dust just yet. Mostly sunny today, breezy. Highs around 99. It's going to feel on average around 104. And I think we're going to see those gusts reach around 25 miles per hour, even 30 out along the coast. Tonight, winds die down as usual, mostly clear. It's going to be a muggy night, lows around 78. By the way, I showed you this a couple days ago, looking at rain for the next 7 days. Notice that there actually is a little bit of green showing up in Texas. Not a lot of heavy rain, but yes, the opportunity finally for rain. And this is mainly occurring Tuesday and Wednesday as that ridge of high pressure finally breaks down. By the way, look at all the rain in the east. The flash flooding threat up there is going up for the east. We would love to borrow some of that rain. And notice that there is no chance of rain in this 7-day forecast until Wednesday for us. And it's a small chance right now. That model I'm showing you is just one model. There's some models that say the rain is going to have to hold off until later in the week, but I'll at least put a 10% chance in there and at least partly cloudy skies. It's something different from more of the same. Mostly sunny, breezy, but notice I do mention hazy on Saturday and Sunday as that dust thickens up again. And yes, I think we'll hit 102 on Monday before we start to cool down. We'll have more